Hello everyone, welcome back again with another video. Today we are going to talk about the interesting, amazing thing that we have ever known, that is SURFER SEO tool. Okay, so I have provided the referral link in the description box. Please check it out. So simply if you follow the description box link, then you'll see this kinds of interface. So don't forget to use our referral link and follow the steps step by step. I will guide you, so follow the link over there. So simply here you can see, so I'll tell you what SURFER SEO tool really do. So this is if you are a website owner, or if you are an SEO expert, or if you are in the field of search engine optimization, or if you are a content writer, then this tool is for you. Yes, you have got the right point. This tool is for you. So what does this tool actually do? I'll simply teach you. So simply you need to create an account. So simply like you need to select your Gmail, then after you will be able to log in. So first of all, you can see here like tell us more about your business. So simply you can enter any of the company domain if you have a company, or if you have a website, or if you are doing SEO of any website. So you can simply put the domain or any like domain over here. So I will put one domain from anybody else, like for I have I have one website which I'm currently working on. So simply I will just enter that site. So let me just type over here. So let me think. I'll search in a Chrome browser. So another type. So repairmate.com.au. I think I'll do for this. So I'm doing SEO for this, and most of the time I use this tool, a SURFER SEO tool. So I'm just copy and paste over here. So how big is your company? Just me, I am here. So I am SEO expert. So like for the like anything else, you can simply choose over there. So there is not a mandatory that you need to just tell about like yourself very truthfully, very factly. Simply they are just collecting the data over there. So you can simply all this procedure step by step over here, and I'll tell you what are the features, what are the plans and pricings are for the SURFER SEO, and how it will help you to grow your website, and it will help you to just get a top ranking of your website. So simply you can see here like price and plannings are over here. Like for the essential, advanced, max, enterprises are already here. So here are the features, like what are the features it will give for the essential, advanced, max, enterprises, everything else it is going to provide you. So please in depth visit the site through the referral link, and then after you see the features over there. So I'll show you the features also, and what are the features over there in the SURFER SEO. Then each and every detail I'm going to provide you. But also you can also see over here. So after see the features, after you see the features, then only you can proceed through the payment over there. So you can simply choose whichever you like, whichever you can afford, then you can simply choose over there. Then after you will be able to enter and search for all the features and experience the best SEO optimized like article and keyword research, everything else you'll get it over there. So simply I'm going to talk about the features now. What are the features does the SURFER SEO provide you? Okay, so use a SURFER SEO to write article that will read well and rank high. Yes, this is true. So if you use the SURFER SEO tool, then you will be able to like write the SEO optimized article. So there are lots of keywords over there. So for example, people search for iPhone repair, then like for example, it does have the 10k volume per month. Then it will suggest you to write an article for iPhone repair. Then after, it will provide you, like it will generate you the content for you. Then only you can simply like generate the article and paste it to your website, in your blog section or your page section. Then after, your article will like get ranked in the top search result. So you need to do on page SEO also. So I'll tell you in depth so what are the features and what are the things that you can simply do through SURFER SEO tool. And like you can simply generate the content in any language. It does have the very nice features. I like this. So ensure the authenticity of the article and avoid potential penalties. Like for example, Google does not accept the plagiarized content. So the SURFER SEO tool helps you to get the non-plagiarized content. So this is the benefit and the beneficial things for you. So simply, many people are like worried about the plagiarism. So it will help you to reduce the plagiarism over there. So simply use this article for the content writing also. So let's delve into like keyword research. So for the keyword research, so main thing is like keyword research is the must. So first of all, you need to do keyword research. Then after, you need to write an article. So before moving to the SEO other part, you need to just do the keyword research over there. So simply, you need to keyword research any keyword. So for the keyword research, what you will see over here, like first of all, you need to see the search volume. For example, if you search for the cook food, then for example, it does have the 10k volume or 5k volume per month, then definitely you will choose that topic. Then after, like you will work on it and you will write the content. You will additionally add other relevant keywords. So these are the features of SURFER SEO. So simply use this for the keyword research also. So keyword research is the main part of the SEO, search engine optimization. So itself, search engine is like Google, Bing, Firefox, everything else, so and so on. So after that, you will be able to rank all those things. So AI outline generator. Okay, so let me just talk about the AI article. So I have talked about the keyword research. So after keyword research, we need to do we need to find out the topic, and it will provide you the outline. For example, iPhone repair. So iPhone 15 is coming soon. So iPhone 15 leaks and rumors, for example, if we just do for the iPhone 15 leaks and rumors, then it will provide us the article very well optimized content it will provide us. So simply, you can use for this purpose also. So published article, you know will reach your target audience. So for the iPhone 15 leaks and rumors, it does have the very nice volume, and you can simply use this to upload in your website for the blog article. So simply, you can use the AI generator tool like this. So simply, so there are other features also I'm going to tell you, and you can simply visit the site through referral link, and then after, you will be able to see all these kinds of features. Everything else you can also like explore. Then after, you'll get everything. You'll get you'll understand and what is the pricing, what are the features. You'll everything get understand about SURFER SEO tool. So SURFER is a SEO tool. So that's why I have told SURFER SEO tool. Yeah. So now here you can see like I'm just like showing you the features of what you can simply do through all these things. So I'm going to individually, I'm going to show you like like generate traffic, how to generate traffic, everything else. So like you can simply do audit also. So I'll show that also. Like here you can simply connect the SURFER SEO tool in SURFER API, Jasper, WordPress and Google Docs. So simply you can connect in this full platform. So all these things are like genuine. So simply you can use if you wanna growth of your website, if you want more traffic, or if you want to rank your website in top search result, then you can simply use this SURFER SEO tool effectively. So simply I will just show you the audit. So what does audit means in SEO? So for example, if your site what is the site getting the traffic, what are the organic keywords, what are the backlinks over there, so how is your content, everything like the SEO audit will be given to you. So for example, if you are facing the plagiarism error, then, or if you are facing if you are getting low traffic, then you can simply audit all these things through this tool. So and it will help you to find your competitor, who are your competitor, each and every details it will give you. So what are the techniques, what are the blog article, what in which keyword the your competitor is working on, everything it will give to you. So here you can see I'm just adding the SURFER SEO keyword SURFER, the extension in Google. So you can also use this extension. So I'm just adding to the Google, so you can also find, if you are watching the video very carefully, then I'm just doing through like step by step. So you can use this to Chrome extension over your browser. So simply do as it is. So if you like the content, please make sure to like and subscribe to our channel, hit the notification bell over there. We'll be uploading more videos like this. Till then, bye bye and take care.